Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's on my desk? As you can see, then I have to do 3 cups today. So if I don't really have time, sorry for 2 of you guys. I just gonna be making tomorrow. So this is gonna be for 200. Wait, sorry guys. 206 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. So what's special is gonna be this. It's gonna be very special. So what I'm gonna be doing is today I'm gonna eat slime. I'm gonna eat my slimes. Not really eat it because make it theirs, because I'm gonna lick my slimes. I know it's a poisonous, but just for special. So what should I eat is just gonna be I'm gonna eat this. Sorry guys, my phone just falling apart. Okay, I'm gonna eat this phone, ship it, and create a slime. Ooh, I don't wanna eat it. Ew. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, I get this slimes. I don't want to eat it, but I have to do it for you guys. Okay, guys. Oh my god. Phew. It tastes disgusting. Okay, guys. Don't try this at home. It's bitter. Okay, guys. Also, I'm gonna making a giveaway in the future, like next week or this week, if I have time. Cause I'm gonna make a slow squishy collection. Have to do collab with 3 people this week. Sunday, my friends coming to my house, and my mom's friend coming to our house. So we really have to catch it up. So maybe I'm gonna making a giveaway next week. Cause I said it. I promise you guys I'm gonna make a giveaway for 200 subscribers, and I'm gonna making a giveaway for 300 subscribers. I'm gonna make every single giveaway for a whole 100 subscribers. Until I really have like 1,000 subscribers. I don't think so. Just saying, and it's fake. If I really have 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna make a giant giveaway. Like giveaway of the school supplies home and squishies, baby lives, everything that in my room that Hatchimals. Yeah, Shopkins. I'm not really gonna give Shopkins because I'm just collecting it. So I'm really sorry guys. I really love Shopkins, so I can't make a Shopkins giveaway. I'm really sorry. Appreciating that. I can't believe I got 200 subscribers, guys. I can't believe. Guys, I'm gonna open this up since I'm gonna write a post-it. Guys, I really can't believe. I knew it. Before I just told you guys, let's see, can I get 200 subscribers? Just saying it. But you know what? Actually, we just get 206 subscribers, guys. I love you guys so much. So there's so much post-it. That's actually not sticky. That's dirt. It's actually not post-it, just like a note tape. Like this. No sticky tape. Guys, what's today's date? Let me check. Today is Today is August 2. Okay, let me write August. $206 subscribers. Yeah, let's see if September. Let's see if I up to September 2. How much subscribers do we have? Are you gonna have 300 subscribers or no? super excited, guys, cause I never thought I gonna have this much subscriber as well as it could be. Guys, I personally appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much. And whoever subscribed me already subscribed them back. And thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, just please click like and keep subscribed. There's gonna be a lot of giveaways coming up. And I'm also gonna make a glue. Gonna make a glue giveaway too. Just for friends. So this kind of glue is good because it's cheap and really good. You can just wash about them, and if you want, I'm gonna use some of my slime since you know what? Maybe pour some put this glue in here first a little. This is way fail. Too much glue. Guys, this is way too much, guys. I'm really sorry. Oh my gosh. How can I fix this problem? Check this out. After we wipe this out, so we can stick this to some, or no, stick it over here. Okay, guys, like this. It's kind of bad over here, but it's gonna be dry up. So yeah, this poster I'm almost done. Houses this week are not finished yet, so they're on Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh my God, why I read this in the Wednesday and Thursday? Today is Thursday, right? Today is Wednesday, so you know that. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. You and me equal BFF, guys. Thank you guys so much for 200. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please help me to get not 200 right now, 300 subscribers. Also, don't forget to click like and subscribe. You and me equal BFF forever. Bye.